Achieving big goals isn't magic, it's method. For years, I overwhelmed myself with massive goals until I learned the power of simplification. Every monumental success starts with a simple, actionable quest. Big goals often feel unattainable due to their sheer size and complexity. By breaking down daunting goals into achievable quests, you can transform how you approach success and build unstoppable momentum. Breaking down your goals into mini quests is essential for progress. Start by defining clear, actionable steps that can lead towards your main goal. For example, if you want to write a book, begin by outlining a chapter, not aiming to draft the entire book in one go. Each mini quest should be a simple step that brings you closer to ultimate achievement. But how do you know what to focus on? The order in which you tackle your quests can dramatically affect your success. Start with tasks that build your skills and confidence. Just like in gaming, where players complete initial quests to gain XP, abilities, and tools needed for significant challenges, tackle simpler quests and tasks first before the daunting ones. This helps you build momentum. Unfortunately, most people forget the next step and lose motivation. Every mini quest completed deserves recognition. This not only boosts your morale, but reinforces the effectiveness of breaking down tasks. Celebrating progress, whether through small rewards or simply acknowledging your accomplishments and that you have shown up, can be a powerful motivator to continue. Tony Robbins said, "It's not about achieving the goal, it's about who you have to become in order to achieve the goal. The juice is in the growth." Break down your goals, sequence them wisely, and celebrate your progress to turn the overwhelming into something that you can conquer. Good luck, have fun.